Good morning to all dear students of class 8. Girls, today I am here for your fifth lecture of physics. Okay, girls? And girls, in previous lecture I was discussing about the branches of physics, and in which I discussed about electricity and magnetism. Okay, so girls, so today I'm going to first discuss about the magnetism, and then we will start the next branch of physics. Okay, so girls, as I told you that electricity means the flow of negative charges or the flow of electron is known as what, that is known as the current electricity. Okay, and as I told you that there are two types of charges. One is known as the positive charge and the second one is known as the negative charge. Okay, charges may be or at rest condition, or charges may be in state of motion. Okay, so due to motion of charges, electric current will be produced in a circuit. Okay, and if charges are at rest condition, so due to at rest condition, only the force of attraction or the force of repulsion can be experienced. Okay, so the next one term which is given in your book, girls, this topic is given in your book on page number 6. Okay, girls, the next one term, fourth one in fifth one branch, the next one term is magnetism. Okay, so what is magnetism, girls? First I will discuss about magnet. Okay, what is magnet, girls? Magnet means, girls, the material which attract the iron or the piece of iron, so that is known as magnet. Okay, and you know it very well, girls, that there are suppose if we take an example of bar magnet. Okay, so girls, bar magnet, two poles are given. Okay, one is known as south pole and the second one is known as the north pole. Okay, in same poles always force of repulsion can be experienced. Okay, while in opposite poles force of attraction can also be experienced. Okay, now what is magnetism, girls? Magnetism, the word magnetism can be defined as, girls, the branch of physics which deals with the behavior and properties of a magnet is known as word that is known as magnetism. Okay, it's mean in this branch of physics we will discuss all the properties of magnet, that how magnet behave. Okay, what is the magnetic lines, what is magnetic forces. Okay, what is magnetic field. So all these terms are discussed in magnetism. Okay, girls, in every bar magnet, okay, or in surround of a magnet, the magnetic force can be experienced. Okay, magnetic force mean force of attraction can be experienced and force of repulsion can also be experienced. Okay, now the next one term which is related with the magnetism, that is magnetic field. Okay, what is magnetic field, girls? Magnetic field mean the space or area around the magnet. Suppose if we take an example of this is suppose bar magnet. Okay, suppose this is bar magnet, so the space or area around the magnet where the magnetic forces can be experienced, so that area is known as what? That area is known as the magnetic field. That area or that space is known as what? That is known as the magnetic field. Okay, so girls, as you can see that in U shape these magnetic lines are given. Okay, these lines shows the magnetic lines. Okay, these lines are actually, these are the magnetic lines through which magnetic force can be traced out, through which the magnetic lines are expressed or magnetic lines are traced out. Okay, as you can see, girls, that the magnetic lines are directed from north to south pole. Okay, if you see the arrow, so arrows are directed from northward to southward. Okay, second one magnetic line, as you can see that in second magnetic lines, again magnetic lines are directed from north to south, north to south. Okay, same is same case is in downward direction. In downward direction, again magnetic lines are directed from north to south. Okay, north to south. Okay, so magnetic lines all are always directed from north to south.